Hello all. Welcome back. Today we'll talk about a new feature which is open a file in OneDrive to view and share reports from report inbox and attachment. As it's very clear from the title of this, whatever that feature is, it's only available as of today on report inbox and the attachment page in Business Central. So let's quickly see what that feature is and how you can utilize it. Before I start that, I'll remind that this feature is only available for customers who are on Business Central SaaS. This is not available for customers who are on Business Central on premises. There's a small setup that you have to do before you start this feature. And let me see if I can show you that. Okay. When you click on settings and go to my settings, there's a new setting added called cloud storage. And I've already enabled it. But you might see a hyperlink here. When you click on it, it'll go and ask you for authentication, and based on your authentication, it'll create a folder here, which is already done for me on my OneDrive. Once that is done, as the title says, it adds capabilities on two areas in Business Central to have an action to open certain files into OneDrive. Now let's understand first why it's needed. Whenever you run a report or whenever you navigate to a document where there is an attachment, and if you like to see that, you actually have to download that file into your local machine and then view it. Now, that may increase the content on your download folder, which may not be required, and you actually don't want to download that file, you just want to see it. And that's where this feature comes into the picture that gives you ability to kind of view that file using the supported file format, which can be read from the OneDrive. So let's see what that is. When you navigate to a report record, let's say sales order, and then here is the attachment section. If you have some attachment here, like in this case, I have an attachment, you click on it and you see a new action added called open in OneDrive. Now, based on the file type, if that format is supported and you click on open in OneDrive, system will take you to OneDrive. If the file is not there, we'll copy that file to your OneDrive and then we'll open it directly without going into downloading that file and then opening that file to read it. In the same way, if you have scheduled a report which comes into your role center page in this area called report inbox, you can also open that in OneDrive instead of downloading it. If you just have to view that set of info, the file will get copied from your Business Central tenant to your OneDrive, which was mapped in your My Settings, and will get opened directly from there. So, not a big change, but it'll surely save some time because those files are getting stored in your OneDrive. But as I'm saying stored, the files are actually in Business Central. They haven't been moved from Business Central to OneDrive and save some space on your Business Central tenant. But the files are physically in your Business Central database. It just copies those files into your OneDrive when you're trying to read them. So if I try to read this file again, it'll ask me to overwrite that file, I'm hoping. So when I try that, it is trying to copy, and now it says that there is already a file named this. Do you want to overwrite it? And I can overwrite it, just save that space over there. So as I was saying, that it is not moving your file out of your Business Central and moving and storing them in OneDrive. It is just copying those files in OneDrive so that it can help you in reading those files rather than downloading them. Well, there is a future that I see with it. I'm pretty optimistic about it. That in coming version there might be some enhancement into this feature, and we as developers will be able to utilize this capability to do certain things. So that's all for today. Let me know what you think about this feature in comment sections. Do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next video on what's new in 2021 release wave 2.